Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app, tap button in the bottom of the screen, and focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's enter loyalty card and select card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Tap Save, and it's done. Now go back, enter gift card, and similar to loyalty card, select Shop. Enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap Save. Last card you can add is public transport, and if you are able to find your public transport, enter it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.